Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Auto Repair. We've come to the house of a customer. They needed to get the starter replaced for their Honda CRV. Uh, so we are in the process of removing the parts which lead us to the starter, which is basically again underneath the intake hose and other areas. So we'll keep taking a video as we are doing stuff, and at the same time once we remove the old starter and put the new starter. Again, if you have any starter replacement needs or any mechanical needs that needs to be done out of your home, please call D&V Mobile Auto Repair. We come to your location and save you time and money. Thanks. So to access the starter, we first need to remove the throttle body, and then we will get down to removing the intake manifold. And once we do that, we will show you where the old starter is. So there are 4 nuts which are holding the throttle body in place. You need to remove those nuts, and we'll take a video of how to actually do that. Now that we have removed all the bolts from the intake manifold, we have to carefully try to pull it out. Okay, so to remove the bolts for this particular car, we had to remove the bolts for the radiator body as well, and then we take out the intake manifold, and there is the starter hidden way down below. We can't access it from under the car, and the only way to do it is either go through all the trouble or call D&V Mobile Auto. We'll come to your house and fix the problem for you. Again, the number is 604-518-6684. So we remove the old starter. It's actually held in by 2 bolts which you need to remove, and a couple of wires. Once you remove that, we're going to put in the new starter. The client has provided us with a starter. They would like us to install this one. So if you have the parts, you can just call us. Our labor fees are published on our website, and we can come and install it for you. Or if you want, we can also buy the parts for you. We get some special discounts from different suppliers, and we typically don't make any money on the parts. We'll pass on the discounts to you, and we can get the parts for you too. We've now put in the new starter. We will be putting the bolts that attach it to the body, and then after that we will take an additional video. Hopefully the car will start. Now that we've got the starter in, we're going to start reassembling everything that we have pulled out, and you can see the process. So we basically put everything back together. The starter is in place, and we are now hooking up the battery, and keeping our fingers crossed that everything goes well and the car starts. Okay, this is Vic. We've just completed the job. We've put everything back together in this Honda CRV. and this is the moment of truth. We are waiting for to make sure that it starts properly. Here we go, another successful job from D&V Mobile Auto Repair. If you have any requirements for automotive needs, based out of your garage, at home, while you can relax, please call us. We serve the greater Vancouver area. Our phone number is 604-518-6684. Thank you.